Hello guys, welcome to HVAC Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare the method statement for installation of pumps. Okay, so this is the first page. Here, company name, project name, company logo will come. And here pages are coming. Guys, please note it down. First thing is scope. The purpose of this method statement is to describe activities related to installation of pumps. Next is references. Approved shop drawings, approved material submittals. Next is responsible person, project manager, site engineer, safety manager, QA/QC manager, technicians and helpers. Next is general. The work under the scope shall include all labor, service, material and equipment and performance of all work necessary for the installation and working of the pumps. Next is tools and equipments. Mobile scaffolding, step ladder, measuring tapes, hand tools, crowbar, hydraulic jack. Next is material receiving, storage and handling. First is material receiving. Ensure that the materials in accordance to the approved mass means material approved submittal or approved drawings. Check the quantity and ensure it's correct as per purchase and delivery order. Next point is check physical condition of material received for good conditions, damages. You have to check whether the material is in good condition or any damage. Once the material is received at the site, the storekeeper intimate to site engineer and QA/QC inspector for inspection and provide MIR means material inspection request to PMC or customers. PMC means project management consultancy. Next is storage and handling. All equipment should be stored under the shade. As pumps are heavy handled with proper care. Next is pre-installation procedures. Guys, please note it down. First point is all fire pumps shall be offloaded safely at site using sufficient manpower and appropriate machines. Next is all equipment, electric driven pumps, sets, diesel engines, jockey pump, fuel tank and controller set shall be slowly lowered and kept the place where they have to be installed in the building. Next is prior to installation the pump until will be moved to the correct location by logistic crew. Next is check the nameplate details of the fire pumps like make, model, water flow, motor data as per approved shop drawing schedule and material submitted prior to installation. Next is all equipment, electric driven pump sets, diesel engines, jockey pumps and controller set shall be as per approved material submitted. Prior to commencement of work, areas and access will be inspected to confirm that site is ready to commence the work. Next is foundation should be substantial to absorb any vibration and permanently support the base plate at all points. This is essential in maintaining the alignment of the direct coupled unit. Ensure fire pumps are properly tagged for distinguished location to ensure installation of fire pumps at their correct location. Ensure fire pumps are from approved conformity of origin. Next, check the foundation of the fire pumps. Check the level and size of pedestal as per approved shop drawings. upload drawings. Next is all the relevant documentation, drawings and material applicable to particular section of works will be checked by the site supervisor prior to commencement of work. Next, the site engineer site supervisor will give necessary instruction to tradesmen and provide necessary approved construction shop drawings of latest revision along with coordinate layouts. Next is the site supervisor foreman will also check the proper tools and equipments are available to carry out the work and are in the compliance with the contract specification. Next is the site supervisor also explain the tradesmen regarding the safety precautions to be observed. Next point is ensure that all lifting operations are carried out as per approved procedure and manufacturer's recommendation. Next is method of installation. Before setting up the pump, check the operating data, ensure that the data on the nameplate matches the required system data, that is operating voltage, frequency, pumped liquid temperature, etc. Next is ensure flange type, bolt and nuts are matching. Next is mark the outline of base frame of the pumps. Place the pumps on the concrete base and along with the marking. Next is GI MS shims shall be fitted between the base plate and the concrete base. They shall always be inserted to the left and right of the J bolt and in close proximity to these bolts. All shims must be perfectly flush. Alignment shall be checked by using the feeler gauge or a wedge gauge. Next is tight the foundation bolts to be to the required level. Next is check pumps for easy rotation by hand at the coupling. Next point is install coupling guard prior to the start the pump for prevent of accident. Check integrity and proper functioning of all connections. For motor driven pumps, it shall be ensured that all electrical equipment such as cable trays, entry slide lugs, etc. finalized and coordinated. Ensure the electrical supply to the panel shall be done as per approved electrical drawing and method statement. Suction and discharge pipe shall be done as per the approved shop drawings. Gate valve, butterfly valve, flow meter, non-return valve and flexible bellows shall be installed as per the approved drawings for each pump as per the approved procedure. Check for 5 water tank piping connection done as per approved shop drawings. Next, if flange covers on the pump and discharge nozzle must be removed prior to the installation of the piping. Next is suction lift line shall be laid with the raising slope towards the pump and suction head lines with a downward slope towards the pump. The pipe shall be anchored in the close proximity to the pump and connected without transmitting any stress or strains. The weight will not exert any load on the pump. Next is for diesel engine driven pumps, place the diesel tank on the foundation. Check the level of the tanks after placing on the foundation. Fuel pipe connection to the engine to be done. Battery and charge to be installed. Exhaust pipe to be installed as per drawing. Alignment of all pumps shall be done before commissioning. Check pump and motor shaft alignment by supplier. After alignment, 5 pumps and diesel tanks shall be firmly and rigidly bolted to the foundation. Check for signages on the pumps, piping, panels, tanks and valves. Check for accessible inside pump room. Also check for space for maintenance. Next is guys method for termination, crimping and glanding. Cables shall be tested for continuity and insulation resistance before termination. Cable cutting shall be done after estimating the most optimal length between the control panel equipment. Extra length may be considered for connecting to allow cutting of cable for fault cable termination. Next is approved cable glands such as compression type LSF shrouded will be used for termination of cables to control panel enclosure. Proper color coding of cabling shall be carried out as per regulations. Individual cores of cables shall be correctly terminated to terminals as per the phase sequence. Cable termination to control panel termination should be done as per manufacturer recommended torque values. Cable crimping shall be done by using the correct size of the lug so that number of conductor stands should not be reduced. Next is quality control. Quality control engineer along with the project manager and site manager will monitor that all the components are installed as per contract specification and approved submittals. Work inspection request shall be submitted by project engineer to QAQC for the verification and closing of the inspection with the main contract consultant. Next is prepare one mock-up sample of 5 pumps installation for consultant approval. Next is safety guys. Work will commence as per safety regulation laid down in the control specification and project plan. Proper safety harness to be used and secured if required. All personal protective equipment shall be used as appropriate according to the nature of the job. Housekeeping shall be good standard and all cut pipes and debris shall be removed. Ensure that all the personnel involved in the work are safely conducted. Okay guys, this is the method statement of pumps. See here note, this method statement is general guideline and should be adapted and customized to suit the specific project requirements, site conditions and applicable regulations. Always refer to the project specification and consult with relevant professional for specific guidance and approval. So guys, this is the sample method statement that I shared with you. As per project requirement and as per project specification, you have to prepare the method statement accordingly. Okay guys, so this completes our method statement for the installation of pumps. Okay guys, thank you, bye.